So my second question would be like you have worked across different industries, right? From oil and gas to
Mm.
agro, real estate, and
Yeah.
all. So are there any major striking differences between managing stakeholders or identifying stakeholders or the way stakeholders behave in different industries? If so, can you please share some examples?
Yeah, again, a very good question, Tasneem. Because industry to industry, the
Right,
culture is very, very different. As you know, in our industry, what we call the enterprise environmental factors. So
right.
every industry is different. You just
Mm,
cannot copy paste. Now,
correct.
what happens in this case? Stakeholders. For example, I will give the example of let us say two industries. One is industry, government industry. Let us say all the people
Okay,
associated with governments.
okay,
These people are always very process oriented. They
right.
always require documents, signature,
Uh,
approvals, everything.
right.
And so you just cannot simply say that, give the permission and things
Mm,
will happen. No.
sure.
Whereas in private, people, especially in the industry like IT, those
Right.
people they are more tech savvy, so they can give information through digitally approvals and everything. They are more comfortable in that kind of environment rather than signing on anything on a hard paper and anything. So there
Right.
is a major difference between the industry. So for the project managers, my suggestion is that whenever you go to any industry, try to understand under what circumstances you are working.
Mm.
I would like to give one more example from one industry that is I worked with is a pharma company.
Okay.
When I was when we started working with that particular project for that industry,
Okay.
they had I mean, their industry is they have a lot of security concerns as far as the information is concerned because they are creating drug. And if
Correct.
somebody sells that formula, the molecular
Uh,
formula, it's a big risk to them.
correct.
So they are very sensitive on that information.
Mm.
So in that case, you just cannot casually write information and send a mail to anyone.
Mm.
You have to be very careful. Whereas
Okay.
I work with a very large corporation outside India in Malaysia, the
Okay.
culture was very different and it is very process driven. I mean, everything they require, everything they wanted, everything written, formal communication, everything. So
Right.
industry to industry, stakeholder behavior, stakeholder expectations are far different. So again, EEF, the
Yeah.
enterprise environmental, plays a very important role.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Also is very enlightening to know that yes, basically connecting it with our concept of EEF, like we see EEF as an input in so many processes, and as you very rightly explained, that different industries have different dynamics. In fact, you even said that not in industry, but even if you go from one country to another, the
Right.
same industry can have different dynamics.
Exactly.